We grow great by dreams. Low-carbon, environmental, and green energy-efficient life is the dream for every erector. Comfortable life without any worry is the dream for every family. Tianjin Junxing Pipe Group Company Limited. Painstaking operating for a decade makes Junxing successful. Tianjin, the beautiful coastal city, carries the responsibility of China's regional economic growth. Here, it is the beginning of Junxing. Every day, we're lighting our new hope. Born of our first production line here in the year 2001, which is the milestone of Junxing people for pursuit of dream. After more than 10 years' efforts and struggle, Junxing has become 10th strong enterprise in Chinese plastic pipes and fitting manufacturer industry, and plays the leading role in Tianjin plastic pipes and fittings manufacturer industry. Junxing is a complex high-technology enterprise which integrates research and development of new products, manufacture of pipes and fittings, municipal and mechanical equipments, installation of petrochemical pipes, import and export trade and marketing. The registered capital is 320 million with 2 large production zones and 1 office building, covering 213,000 square meters with building area 178,000 square meters, over 1,000 workers and more than 200 sets of machines for production, research, and test. From the first production line PU prefabricated insulation pipe till now, Junxing has developed more than 20 series of pipes and fittings covering over 1,200 dimensions, with output 250,000 tons 1 year. We have become one of the enterprises in plastic pipes and fittings manufacturer industry in various pipe series in complete pipe dimensions, marked as Pipe Supermarket Enterprise. Junxing are always supplying professional plastic pipes and fitting solutions for all the customers in industry of hot and cold water rebuilding, floor heating, drainage, municipal administration dewatering, gas, mine, and chemical, etc., which sufficiently meets all the customers' one-stop shopping requirements and gets good feedback from them. Innovation and development, the pursuit of excellence. Innovation and research for technique and products is the motivation for Junxing's high-speed development. Elite research and development team in different fields are working together to improve products technique constantly with creative technology and new products design. Modes manufacture, innovation of technique, formula experiment, and equipment improvement, exploring the future of plastic pipes and fittings according to the newest standard. Junxing leads the developed direction in China plastic pipes and fitting industry in key factors, innovation of machines, and multi-level research in products with international advanced design concept and method. For years, except the research and development for 2 to 3 kinds of new products every year, Junxing also successively obtained more than 40 patent technology, such as the concealed flat bridge, the press fittings, H-shaped T, and so on. As the Vice President of China Plastics Processing Industry Association, the Vice President of Tianjin Building Materials Industry Association, Junxing also devoted herself to the work of implementation and revision of the pipe standards, participated in the compilation and revision of many national pipe standards, striving to achieve the standardization and normalization of the pipe industry. In 2006, Junxing Pipe was identified as the high-tech enterprises in Tianjin. In 2009, Junxing brand was identified as China well-known trademark. In 2012, Junxing was identified as Tianjin Patent Pilot Enterprise by the Intellectual Property Office of Tianjin City. At the same time, Junxing has also won the National Inspection-Free Product, China Top 10 Brands of Floor Heating Pipes, Advanced Enterprise of China Plastic Industry, AAA Credit Rating Enterprise, the leader of Tianjin Excellent Little Giant of Science and Technology, and so on. Junxing people know that honor is not only a kind of recognition, but also a spur. We will, as always, adhere to the honesty, cooperation, and win-win operation principle, insisting the scientific and technological innovation and sustainable development. Be courageous to hear the social responsibility and create the century brand. Commodities Fitch highlights Quality World Crown. Junxing use high-quality special raw materials with international advanced level of production line and auxiliary control system. Through scientific and rational production process, achieve the perfect processing of plastic pipe products. We pay attention to every detail in the production process to reach the acme of perfection. Junxing people make their dreams come true with painstaking effort and inspiration. Junxing focus on every detail in quality control to create a century brand. In plastic pipe industry, Junxing is the first who have passed the certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 18001. Reached the seamless of international quality management system. Junxing has fully implemented 5S management system methods. The clean workshops and well-regulated equipment created a comfortable and clean working environment for the staff. Junxing strictly checked each part of production process from the selection of raw material to the management of production techniques, from the inspection of sampling to the inspection of loading, so as to ensure that their quality will live up to China and international standard. In addition, we possessed the one-up inspection facilities such as differential scanning, calorimeter, and melt flow rate measuring facility, with a total amount of more than 30 sets. It can meet the demands of various physical and mechanical performance inspection, from the unloading of a raw material to the loading of the products. Whether the scale or the advancement of facilities, we achieve the leading level at domestic in this area. Multiple in categories and complete in specification. Pipes for floor heating. As the pioneer in floor heating industry, we cooperated with Designing Institute to fulfill the first residence community with the technology of floor heating in 2003. Nowadays, we can manufacture PEXA, PEXB, PERT, PB, PBR, PERT EVOH, and PB-EVOH. The daily production capacity of PERT pipes can reach over 700,000 meters, which enables us to manufacture with the most complete categories and the largest production capacity. Both PB pipe and PBR pipe use the internationally accepted resin from Basel, and our production line is Batonfield, Cincinnati. We manufacture PEXA, PERT, and PEXB as per the advanced manufacturing techniques and standards, and the raw material is from South Korea. PPR series pipe. After years of researching and developing, Junxing has developed into the manufacturer of complete PPR series pipes, including PPR hot and cold water pipe, fiberglass PPR pipe, PPR aluminum composite pipe, and JXNF beta PPR pipe. PPR series pipes are manufactured by the imported raw material or Yanxian petrochemical special material to ensure the quality. We have the most completely product in specifications. Nowadays, we can manufacture cold water and hot water PPR pipe, reclaim the water pipe, and fitting from DN 20 mm to DN 200 mm. What's more, we are one of the enterprises with the most complete specifications of fitting. We can manufacture fiberglass PPR pipe and PPR aluminum composite pipe from DN 20 mm to DN 110 mm. PPR aluminum composite pipe adopts the most advanced forming process to enable the quality, with the character of no cracking and no delamination. Junxing PPR Nano Antibacterial Pipe is a new type pipe for hot and cold water. The Nano PPR layer improves the mechanical property and heat-resistant quality of raw material, but also avoid the disadvantage of short lifetime and specifications instability. It is the priority in high temperature resistance, durability, creep resistance, and low temperature toughness to pure PPR pipe. Butt welding aluminum plastic composite pipes. To meet the connected pipe need for high temperature, high pressure hot water radiator, Junxing Pipe developed a new type butt welding aluminum plastic composite pressure series pipes, such as PEX-AL PX pipe, DXPAP2, PERT, AL, PERT pipe, RPAP5, RDPAP7, PAL, P pipe, PAP4, and so on. The inner and outer of DXPAP2 are manufactured from special PXP raw material. RPAP5, RDPAP7 aluminum plastic pipes are manufactured from pipeline special raw material and alloy aluminum foil. Butt welding aluminum plastic composite gas pipes, PAP4, is composited manufactured from imported P100 gas special material and alloy aluminum foil. P polyethylene series pipe. Currently, Junxing Pipe Group has developed and produced a P water supply pipe, P gas pipe, P coal mine underground pipe, P geothermal pipe. Adhering to the P gas pipe and fitting has gained manufacturer license of special equipment for pressure pipe components certificated by CIQ and mining product safety label certification certified by CIATA. PE water supply pipe and fitting are manufactured from superior P80 or PE100 raw material which produced by overseas or domestic top petrochemical enterprise. The specification from DN 20 mm to DN 1600 mm. We are one of the biggest company which produce heavy caliber pipe, drainage pipes. Junxing HDPE double-wall corrugated pipe is extruded one time based on socket strength design. The dimension of the socket can be strictly controlled, which make the connection much easy, fast, and reliable. Thereby can avoid the leakage effectively. To win the world with honesty and to create a brand with win-win policy. In 2005, Junxing's production plant was officially put into use in Wuqing, Tianjin. Over the decade, Junxing keeps growing and developing stronger with the struggling. To meet the user's needs is always the guidance of Junxing people. We listen to the voice of the customers with concentrated attention, and we provide customers with service of ordering, production, delivery, and after-sales in a professional, efficient, and all-round way. Junxing has not only built a complete domestic marketing and service network, but also developed sales network all over the world. Junxing has come to be acknowledged as a reliable partner in many countries such as Russia, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, New Zealand, and so on, Pakistan, Zambia, Vietnam, Singapore, etc. Till now, Junxing has passed many international certifications like BV, Ghost, CE, SUNCAP, WRAS, Watermark, NSF, etc. Junxing's sustained and rapid development derives from the perseverance of honesty and profound understanding of a win-win policy. That is the business concept of Junxing, to treat all staff, customers, distributors, and suppliers with all sincerity and trustworthy, and give benefit to customers and all staff. Over the years, Junxing has established a long-term strategic cooperative partnership with many construction units both in domestic and international market. These classic engineering projects and living communities full of humanity, which embody Junxing's business concept of honesty, trustworthy and win-win policy, and persistent pursuit of dream. Surging tide, wind-color future. In the year 2013, Junxing Pipe Group will come to a new peak of development with the construction of the second production plant. When completed, the annual production capacity will come to 120,000 tons, and the annual value of production will be $250 million. More than 10 years of trials and hardship. Junxing has been given magical power by dreams. Here we acquainted, knew, struggled, and growing together. Here, there is youth, energy, persistence, and beliefs. Here, there is ever-infinite desire for knowledge and unlimited vision for the future. Here, there is the career we love and the life we love too. Dreams let Junxing people grow rapidly. It is these people with dreams that Junxing move ahead constantly. It is a thriving Junxing carrying the dreams of these people to create a more brilliant future together. Junxing Pipe Group will keep progressing in the market tide with motivated spirit and is committed to become a world-class pipe industry. Junxing Pipe Group is looking forward to working with you and creating a bright future together. Work together with Junxing. Enjoy a worry-free life.